So now we're going to install the back plate. Back plate just seals the box to the wall, to the tile. Only goes on one way, held in place with 4 Phillip head brass screws. The next step is to install the limit rings. So this is the temperature limit ring, and you can see the little cutout. That'll match up with the tab on the top there. It only goes on one way and just pushes straight back. And then for the top handle, and you can see this is the one that comes with the trim kit. It has 2 little tabs there. So the handle rotation has a stop. And here again, this one will only go on in one direction, one way. And we have a little guide ring. We'll just push in. And the same thing for the top handle. If you would like to have a shared function, we do have an optional ring that will allow the handle to turn further. And it is as simple as removing the one that's with the unit and installing the optional shared function ring. So the non-shared function, you have the 2 tabs, one here. And on the shared function, there are no tabs to stop the rotation of the handle. Our next step is to install the escutcheon plate. And this simply pushes on to our backer plate, membrane plate. The next step will be to install the thermostatic handle. And this will push on. Slide it all the way back. And then take your snap ring. And then your top handle. Again, just slide it on. And then once again, your snap ring to hold it in place. Little pull to make sure. And then your sleeve that will connect the handle to the thermo cartridge. And then the sleeve to connect your handle to the inner cartridge. The line on the left is your single function, so you'll install this adapter with the line going at the 12 o'clock position. For the dual function, you'll use the line on the right, and that'll be installed with the line pointing at the 12 o'clock position. Our last step, to install the decorative caps.